Hey everybody, it's Mike here. Welcome to Blender 4.2. Well, if you have any experience in Blender at all, then you probably know that you cannot select faces or vertices that are in the back by selecting it from the front. I'll show you what I mean, right? So we got this monkey see, monkey do here, and what we're going to do first is we're going to jump from object mode up here by hitting the tab key to edit mode. So now we can see the vertices, edges, and faces, and we're simply from the front going to go in here and drag select a bunch of vertices, right? Now if I flip to the back here, you will see that these have not been selected, and that's very annoying. Now there is a way around that, of course, right? Actually two ways around that, and the first one is to use wireframe mode. So you go up here, you click on wireframe, and if you now select it, it will select everything. And the second way is to not have wireframe on, but to have X-ray mode on. Okay, drag select, and there you have it. Now the thing is, that's still quite annoying because you have to go up there and click on it, and so there's another way, and it's actually the same way, but it's with a shortcut, right? And that way you don't have to move your mouse away and click up there and whatnot. So what you do is you hit Alt Z, okay? So Alt Z, it will jump to X-ray mode. You can drag select whatever you want to select. You got everything selected, and if you hit Alt Z again, everything selected, and you're back into the mode you were in before. So yeah, Alt Z, that's the trick, okay? So hopefully you thought this was helpful. If you want to see more videos in Blender, you know what to do. Hit that like, hit that sub, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.